think that's also important. Doc talked about emotional intelligence, and on that pedestal, I think it's also relevant. And it's also relevant for your own mental health, and also in trying to create a culture where there's accountability on both ends. And everything is not about the employee, but it's also about you and the systems that you put in place to ensure that it's self-correcting. And if it's negligence, it's not repetitive, because there's a system that allows you to check that. If it's an honest mistake, then there's also a system that allows for candid accountability, where the employee can openly, declare that, well, I'm responsible for this and I'm accountable for that. And that helps in the long haul. But if you want short-term, shortcut, sharp, then there will be problems. I always want to look at it in the long haul, and as much as possible, I also want to put a human face to it. Most often, when we've been through the hard bit of it, we tend to dissociate the human face from the experience of that. Remember that in that whole process, you're also mentoring them. These employees or workers will be future employers, and they'll be in their own spaces. So look at that in the long haul. And also in terms of the lady pastor talked about our purpose for life, and the vision that God has given us, putting a human face to it and putting in a system that's self-correcting in this regard, I think might be helpful than going in straight on organizational justice. Yeah.